Hey guys, it's me, Maddie. So today we are going to be opening up the new American Girl doll, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong, Jamie's ice cream set. And I'm so excited because this is the waffle cone making set and it comes with a lot of fun stuff that I'm so excited to get open. Okay, so with the magic of snapping, you'll get this open in a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, it's opened. Okay, so let's check out that was like a weird voice I did. So let's check out the first pack, or the first thing that comes with it. And it is 2 ice cream spoons. It's a light blue one and a light yellow one. And guys, okay, so these are the spoons. Oh my god, they're super cute and well quality too. Love that noise. Okay, so we got 2 spoons, set those to the side. Next thing we have, just gonna keep pulling. Okay, these are 2 of this. Oh wait, that's not the same. Then we have this, like, let me look on the box. Oh yeah, this helps to smash the waffle cone. One of the little smasher dolls. Oops. Not too fancy, so I won't spend too much time on this. Little smasher, really cute, love it. Next item. This, another one of those not so big items, is the waffle cone shaper. So this you put in the waffle cone and it helps shape it. Okay, now we're getting some better stuff. Ooh, like one of these ice cream scooper spoons. Whoa, this is like giant. Like comparing this to my hand, this is my hand, and this is how big it is. It is really big. Okay, and it helps to scoop the ice cream up. You might see these at an ice cream shop. If you've been, well, you've probably been to one before. And it helps scoop the ice cream out and make sure it's in a little round ball. Next thing, we have the ice cream tray holders to help give out the ice cream with. We got this open. It's plastic. So if you drop it, it won't shatter. Well, if you might drop it from a high place, it might shatter. Like, well, very high place. And it is, oops, I got my, and whoa, this is how the ice cream would fit. Next item. Oh, there's a whole barrier. Next. I'm going to do 2 at a time. So this is the smasher. Or, this isn't the smasher. This is what the ice cream stuff goes in, and this is what you smash the thing in. Get this open real quick. Again, really cute, really basic. Next item, we have 2 bowls. We have a pink one and a light pink one, or like a hot pink and a light pink. That base I used. Okay, so we have the hot pink bowl and light pink bowl. Pretty basic. Next, we're pulling out the top layer. So this comes very well packaged. Love it. Oh wait, sorry, we missed something. This is like a holder that your dolls can hold, and the ice cream you would put inside. Just open it real quick. Oh, I ripped a hole in it. It's okay. This is what it looks like. Next item, now the barrier. Take the barrier out. Whoa, we're getting to some big stuff. Whoa, this is awesome. This is the waffle maker. The waffle maker. Not an actual real waffle maker, but still. Whoa, you can press, oh, you can't press the buttons, but you can not turn the knobs. Never mind. Oh, wait. Oh, you can, but I wouldn't recommend doing it. But this does open, and it has a nice little print. Very cute. The back. Oh, I think this includes batteries. Actually, I'm not too sure. I don't actually think it does. I'm confused. Not too sure. That was a good noise. Okay, next it is the last big thing. It is the Jamie's ice cream box. Yes, this does come with ice creams. The ice creams are inside and all the little accessories. Oh, just lifted. Whoa, there's a ton in here. Okay, these are the waffle cones. Let me get them out and then show you guys. These are really cute. I love these. Whoa. They're giant. Again, comparing to my hand, really big. And they're so cute and detailed. So now we can just plop them in. Ice cream is coming soon after this. Okay. Oh, the next item is you get 2 of the little bowls. So you can put bowls of ice cream now. So you can put it in like this, and this is what the smasher thing is for, to flatten it out. Really cute. You get 2 of them. Next, we are moving on to the flat waffle waffle. And it is not made yet. Oh, it's bendy. I think this is rubber. Yeah, I think that's rubber. So you grab your waffle maker and you plop this in and press it down and wait, and then you can lift it up and pretend to smash it, or your dolls can pretend to smash it. Okay, now we're moving on to the ice cream parts. Okay, this comes with 4 ice creams. So this is the first one. This is chocolate. You put it in here, and it looks like this. Chocolate ice cream, which you can pretend to scoop like this. It fits perfect. Pretend to scoop it and then plop it on. Next, we have vanilla. I think, yeah, this is vanilla. I'll show you if I get it out. This is without the cone. It kind of looks like a popcorn ice cream. Cute, love it. I think there might be sprinkles inside, but this is what it looks like inside. Again, you can scoop it. Then we have one of the bowls of ice cream. This is the bowl of ice cream. You can put it inside of this to make it look like this. And this is what the spoons are for, so you can put it like this. This is the ice cream in the cup and out of the cup. Really cute. Now we're moving on to our last item, which is the... Let me get it open. Another bowl ice cream. I think this is cookie dough ice cream. This is it without the bowl and with it in the bowl and with a spoon. Move all this trash out of here for our next video. Okay. And I didn't really show a lot of the box, so let me show. I put it on. Let me show you it now. This is the top of the box, and this is the bottom, which is pretty basic. And it's saying like this box is upside down right now. You can't just. Oh, I guess you can't do that. But it says Grace Glade Milk right here. And if you guys enjoyed this video, maybe you consider hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Guys,